both on the lens. Good to go. Here we go. 216. Motherfuckers. Drunk flows, man. New cypher every week. Guess that's what it's coming to. Think I'm waiting on that hook.
They're still sitting on a 775. It was like 702. They decided to take that kind of blaze to get to the black bloom. So now we're still sitting on the 775 and the 504s and the 395s.
395s. 395s. Yo, we're still sitting there. Rolling like you're in a chair with wheels, a motherfucking wheelchair. But I don't stare. Standing on the corner and I kinda compare. Yo, who sold more? Crack addicts, motherfuckers coming up, you know it's just a habit. Yo, I just stab it. Grab the microphone and grab the cord, then I wrap it around the fake MC's neck. The 395 motherfuckers get put in check. Motherfuckers get put in check. Subliminal. Criminal.
Subliminal.
Criminal.
Can't spit it.
Subliminal.
Can't you see there's like one of your
Criminal.
girlfriends? It's a crazy motherfucking MIC with the 775.
Criminal.
Come over here and just like giving me a
Subliminal. Fucking criminal. Subliminal. Criminal. Subliminal criminal. This is not an M&O. Motherfuckers don't even know you didn't get the memo. Fuck, you should've read this shit. Coming up with the script, I grab the knife and slit my own fucking wrist. Yo, I said that before, it's like a chore. Motherfuckers don't know it's like a 4th Street whore. Yo, I got enough chores, I got enough money. People hear my raps and think it's fucking funny. Hear my fucking life and think it's a joke. Gotta clean it up because I got the hope, yo. 216, cutting with the guillotine, this is the message. It's criminal. Fucking subliminal.
and
Criminal. Motherfucking subliminal. Criminal. Subliminal.
As I decided to come over here as an individual, guess what? I'm gonna sit back here and hit you 25, 44, 62 deep. Guess what? Cause you don't want, I got the motherfucking chronic mother. Guess what? I am the motherfucking Miller, like the mother 9mm. Come over here and hit you with like point points and going right, shoot your motherfucking chest and take you to the motherfucking grave. Watch. Toss
Criminal.
Cause you're what?
Fucking subliminal. Criminal.
There ain't nothing else, what?
Criminal. Subliminal. Fucking criminal. Motherfucking subliminal. Criminal. Yo, 216 Immortal Music, Drunk Flows. You know the deal.
Well, we gotta like get another good one.
That was one right there. It's 3